Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use short notation for vectors and matrices in Qlang. So you might have used the subvector function, and I'm going to show you how to use the matrix notation instead. So say we have a vector x, and we want to address and get a subset of this. You can use the colon operator. So referencing 1 through 5 will give you elements 1 through 5. So let's see how that works. You see you get 1 through 5. And then you can also, if you don't know the length of the vector and you want from 4 to end, you can just omit to have a reference, and then you will get from 4 to the end of that vector. And this works equally well for matrices. You just need to reference both rows and columns. So we can have from 1 to 2 and from 0 to 1. And you see that we get a sub-matrix from this. And when we're on the subject, we might as well show how to do vector multiplication when you want. Let's see, we have 1 through 4. And we have four elements, and you want to multiply that with another vector of 4. You can just use the dot multiplying notation, and then you can multiply a vector with another vector and get these multiplied element by element. So these are the vector matrix tricks I wanted to show you. Thank you very much.